trying to make business.
All right, people. This is Mosha again.
Mosha.
We're coming to you from the Mosha's Reggae Lounge at the new location in Pedro Crisante in Dominican Republic. Now I got some brothers from Africa. Yesterday, in 2 days, we got the king from Africa. He's back again. All right, I got my boy in the back, Curtis. And I got these 3 brothers from Africa. He got oxtail. What's your name, brother?
My name is Kamal. Oxtail was fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you from? Africa, right?
Yes, from Nigeria.
He's from Nigeria. They have Jamaican restaurant in Nigeria?
Yes, they do, but not this good. Mosha's the real deal.
You hear that, guys? You hear that? So I'm coming to Nigeria.
Okay,
They better watch out for me. Tell them to watch out for Mosha. Tell them I'm coming. Look out, Mosha coming.
Mosha's coming?
Yes. And the other brother.
Yeah.
From and you from? Were you from where?
I'm from Nigeria, Lagos.
And how was the oxtail?
It's perfect. Best oxtail.
He
Best
said,
oxtail I've had.
yeah. He told me, your brother told me that you have a Jamaican restaurant in Nigeria, but it's not like this.
There's no like.
So I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'm bringing this to Nigeria.
You got to. You have to.
And my other brother here, he had the curry goat. How was the goat, my bro?
Blood clots.
Blood clot, the real thing, not you. So,
Nah, it's mad out here, man.
yeah, wait, you from Africa?
Crazy.
Go ahead, man. Talk. What's your name?
My name? I have no name.
That's okay. Don't
No
worry.
name Gypsy.
But you're from Africa.
I'm from Niger boy.
You're from Niger. Niger, where the original Hebrews went and circulated all of that land and built from there.
Yes.
The history of the world came from all of that land over there.
Yes, my brother.
So my brother with no name, how is the curry goat?
Amazing. Respect, man.
Respect, my brother. So my 3 brothers from Africa, it's the first time in the DR? First time?
No, come a couple times.
Yeah, the rum punch, you had rum punch. How was the rum punch?
Rum punch is great.
Rum
Good
punch,
flavor.
munch punch and murder. What do you think?
The munch punch murder.
Murderation, what do you think? Murder too. Oh, back to the king. King, you're back again. But I'm sorry for the king. I don't have no jerk chicken. He come for his jerk. I'm making him some oxtail. And one of my old, long-time customer, been with me for years. His name is Curtis. He's been chilling with me. Curtis, say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
This is Curtis, my longtime supporter for my restaurant. It's raining. Come to sit down, have some ginger. How's the ginger beer, Curtis?
Delicious.
And he always have my food, so he knows. People respect. And like I said, if you can't say something good about people, don't say nothing. Keep your mouth shut. Even a fool is considered wise when he keep his mouth shut. Blessed love. Peace out.